This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by LRN.FM. Feds don't want you to hear them.
The least we can say is that the defendant, Airman Adams, was drunk.
Article 16. Former Jeopardy Jury Trial in Capital Cases. No subject shall be liable to be tried after an acquittal for the same crime or offense, nor shall the legislature make any law that shall subject any person to a capital punishment, excepting for the government of the Army and Navy and militia in actual service, without trial by jury. June 2nd, 1784.
Russell Canning.
When Canning went up to start his trial, his supporters stood up.
Everybody can have a seat back there. You got a seat at the table back there? Okay. Have a seat right now.
Article 17. Venue of criminal prosecutions. In criminal prosecutions, the trial of facts in the vicinity where they happened is so essential to the security of the life, liberty, and estate of the citizen that no crime or offense ought to be tried in any other county or judicial district than that in which it is committed, except in any case in any particular county or judicial district, upon motion by the defendant, and after a finding by the court that a fair and impartial trial cannot be held where the offense may be committed. The court shall direct the trial to a county or judicial district in which a fair and impartial trial can be obtained. 1784. Amended in 1978 so that court at defendant's request may change trial to another county or judicial district. Article 18. Penalties to be proportioned to offenses. True design of punishment. All penalties ought to be proportioned to the nature of the offense. No wise legislature will affix the same punishment to the crimes of theft, forgery, and the like, which they do to those of murder and treason, where the same undistinguishing severity is exerted against all offenses. The people are led to forget the real distinction in the crimes themselves, and to commit the most flagrant with as little compunction as they do the lightest offenses. For the same reason, a multitude of sanguinary laws is both impolitic and unjust, the true design of all punishments being to reform, not to exterminate mankind. 1784, with slight amendments in 1792.
Am I free to go?
Article 19. Every subject hath a right to be secure from all unreasonable searches and seizures of his person, his houses, his papers, and all his possessions. Therefore, all warrants to search suspected places or arrest a person for examination or trial and prosecutions for criminal matters are contrary to this right, if the cause or foundation of them be not previously supported by oath or affirmation, and if the order, in a warrant to a civil officer, to make search in suspected places, or to arrest one or more suspected persons or seize their property, be not accompanied with a special designation of the persons or objects of search, arrest, or seizure, and no warrant ought to be issued but in cases and with the formalities prescribed by law. 1784. Slight amending in 1792. Article 20. Jury trial in civil cases. In all controversies concerning property, and in all suits between two or more persons, except those in which another practice is and has been customary, and except those in which the value in controversy does not exceed $1,500, and no title to real estate is involved, the parties have a right to a trial by jury.
The accident occurred. It did not occur on...
This method of procedure shall be held sacred, unless in cases arising on the high seas, and in cases relating to mariners' wages, the the legislature shall think it necessary hereafter to alter it. 1784. Amended in 1877 to prohibit jury trials unless the amount in controversy exceeds $100.
Nope, can't do that.
Federal agents on the streets of Keene, New Hampshire. They're investigating reports of an unlicensed radio station said to be broadcasting LRN.FM. So why all the fuss? What is LRN.FM? Well, it's probably not something these agents want you to listen to. It's a 24-hour news talk broadcast, all pro-liberty. A true authoritarian-free zone. Tune in at LRN.FM to listen or broadcast their signal. LRN.FM. Feds don't want you to hear them.